This video is only for education purpose. Don't purchase or don't take any medicine without doctor consultation. Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review GlycoGeN blood support gummies, or you can say like tablets and all. So you should purchase or not, and what are the main problems of this you can say blood support you can say supplement, and what are the things you should keep in your mind before taking these kind of you can say supplements. So my dear friends, I want to tell you, like, if you are going to use any health related product, I'm not talking about this particular one, I'm talking about like any health product. So you need to consult your doctor at least once. You need to show the nutrition information at your doctor, and they will guide you. You should take this or not. Okay. Without doctor consultation, you should not use any kind of you can say like health related you can say products. Okay. So now come to the main point. Is this product really worthy for you or not? So my dear friends, I want to tell you, like, these kind of products are easily available in the market, and many of the TikTok video creators and YouTube creators are promoting these kind of product. Okay, and they are getting highly commissions. Like when you purchase these kind of product, they will get like approx $150 as a commission. Okay, so you need to keep in your mind, like, the product will work for you or not. There is no such type of guarantees available in the market, and as you can see, all images are looking like AI generated and all, and there is no such type of proof available. Only some YouTubers are creating these type of videos, and they are also providing some links to purchase the link you can say the purchase the product. So you need to be very careful. There is no guarantee it will work for you or not. So the best thing, you can avoid these kind of products. If you really want to try, you need to consult your doctor first, and then you can try at only for one bottle. Okay, if you really want to purchase, you can try only for one bottle. If you see any kind of change in your body, then you can go for continue, otherwise you can quit. Okay, so this is my review. Now you can make your own decision what you have to do and what you not have to do. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.